Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your bank statement, maybe sipping your morning coffee, and bam. A charge hits you like a cold splash of water. What the heck is that, you think? I thought I canceled that subscription months ago. Sound familiar? Or maybe you're just trying to get a handle on your finances, and you've noticed those sneaky little recurring charges nibbling away at your budget. You've got Rocket Money, you love the overview, but those pesky subscriptions are still draining your account. You're thinking, how do I stop a subscription from taking money out of my Rocket Money account? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into that very question. We're going to demystify the process, break down the steps, and give you the tools you need to take back control of your finances. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this happens. Subscriptions are designed to be convenient. They're built on the principle of set it and forget it. But that convenience can quickly turn into a financial headache if you're not vigilant. Companies often make it easy to sign up, but less so to cancel. They rely on our busy lives and the hope that we'll simply forget about those recurring charges. And let's be honest, sometimes we do. Rocket Money is a fantastic tool for managing your finances. It pulls together all your accounts, categorizes your spending, and even negotiates bills for you. But it's important to remember that Rocket Money is a management tool, not a magical money-stopping force. It helps you identify those subscriptions, but you still need to take action to cancel them. So, let's get down to business. How do you actually stop a subscription from taking money out of your Rocket Money account? First, and this is crucial, understand that Rocket Money doesn't directly stop the charges. It helps you identify and initiate the cancellation process, but the actual cancellation happens with the service provider. Think of it as your financial detective, not your executioner. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Identify the subscription. Open your Rocket Money app or log into the website. Navigate to the Subscriptions tab. This is your command center for all things recurring charges. You'll see a list of all the subscriptions Rocket Money has identified. Take a moment to review them carefully. Look for the subscription you want to cancel. Pay close attention to the name, the amount charged, and the frequency of the charges. 2. Review the subscription details. Tap or click on the subscription you want to cancel. Rocket Money will provide you with detailed information about the subscription, including the date of the next charge, the total amount spent, and the company's contact information. This is your chance to double-check that this is indeed the subscription you want to cancel. 3. Initiate the cancellation process. Rocket Money often provides a cancel button directly within the app. However, this button doesn't always guarantee a successful cancellation. It's more of a shortcut to the company's cancellation process. If the cancel button is available, try it. But be sure to follow up and confirm the cancellation directly with the service provider. If there's no cancel button, or if you want to be extra careful, you'll need to contact the company directly. 4. Contact the service provider. This is the most important step. You need to contact the company providing the subscription and request a cancellation. Use the contact information provided by Rocket Money. This might include a phone number, email address, or website. Be prepared to provide your account information, such as your username, email address, or account number. Clearly state that you want to cancel your subscription and request confirmation of the cancellation. Keep a record of your communication, including the date, time, and the name of the person you spoke with. If you're emailing, keep a copy of the email. 5. Confirm the cancellation. After you've contacted the service provider, check your email or online account for confirmation of the cancellation. If you don't receive confirmation within a reasonable time, follow up with the company. Double-check your bank statement or Rocket Money account in the next billing cycle to ensure that the subscription has been successfully canceled. 6. Update your Rocket Money account. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, go back to your Rocket Money account and mark the subscription as canceled. This will help you keep your account up to date and avoid any confusion in the future. Tips and tricks for canceling subscriptions. Read the fine print. Before signing up for any subscription, carefully read the terms and conditions. Pay attention to the cancellation policy and any potential fees. Set reminders. Set reminders on your phone or calendar to review your subscriptions regularly. This will help you catch any unwanted charges before they add up. Use virtual credit cards. Consider using virtual credit cards for online subscriptions. This allows you to set spending limits and easily cancel the card if needed. Be persistent. Don't give up if you encounter difficulties canceling a subscription. Be persistent and keep following up with the company until you receive confirmation of the cancellation. Document everything. Keep a record of all your communication with the service provider, including emails, phone calls, and chat logs. This will be helpful if you need to dispute any charges. Check for free trials. Many subscriptions offer free trials. Remember to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. Use the Negotiate Bills feature in Rocketmoney if you are having trouble canceling, or if you want to try and lower the cost of a remaining subscription, use Rocketmoney's Negotiate Bills feature. Consider a chargeback. If you've made every attempt to cancel a subscription and you're still being charged, you may be able to file a chargeback with your credit card company. This is a last resort, but it can be effective in getting your money back. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One common mistake is relying solely on the cancel button in Rocketmoney. While it can be helpful, it's not a guarantee of cancellation. Always follow up with the service provider directly. Another pitfall is forgetting to cancel free trials. Many companies offer free trials as a way to entice you to sign up. But if you don't cancel before the trial period ends, you'll be automatically charged. Set reminders and be diligent about canceling unwanted trials. And finally, don't be afraid to be assertive. If you're having trouble canceling a subscription, don't hesitate to escalate the issue. Contact the company's customer service department and explain your situation. Remember, you are in control of your finances. Don't let those sneaky subscriptions drain your hard-earned money. By following these steps and tips, you can take back control and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.